Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with your Windows 10 computer in a domain environment that says that the trust relationship between this workstation and the primary domain failed. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to go ahead and open up the Power User menu, so tap the Windows key and the X key. If you're able to boot into Windows on a different account, you can just type in PowerShell here and right click on it, select Run as Administrator, select Yes, and I'm going to have the commands in the description of the video here, guys, so just copy the first one if you're able to get into Windows and then paste it into the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select Edit, and then select Paste. Here you go, you go ahead and enter in your credentials at this pop-up. You'd select OK. Again, this would be an example here. You go ahead and paste that in. So you would paste that first command, fill out the credentials, and then once that was done, then you would fill out the second command that I have in the description of the video. So this is just an example here. So once that first thing was done successfully, you type in the second command, hit enter, and then type back in the credentials. And then once you're done with that, you select OK. You close out of here, restart your computer, and then hopefully I would have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you guys out, and as always, thanks for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.